Embark on a quest for hair rejuvenation with Hair Luminance. Let its mysterious allure draw you in as you uncover the hidden remedies that promise to transform your hair from root to tip. Step into the world of Hair Luminance and discover a future where your hair shines with vitality and health. With Hair Luminance as your guide, your hair will become a reflection of your resilience and beauty. Let Hair Luminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Believe in the magic of Hair Luminance, and let your hair become a symbol of your inner strength. Experience the transformation firsthand, and let Hair Luminance unlock the potential within your hair. With each revelation, feel yourself drawing closer to the hair of your dreams, and let Hair Luminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey. Trust in the process and let your hair become a testament to the power of belief. Unleash the potential within and let Hair Luminance ignite a spark of confidence within you.